Shift focus to some important news. Government data shows a sluggish pace of increase in the MNREGA wages during the last 5 years. In fact, the actual wage is actually lower than the notified wage rates. Sapna is joining in with more details on this. Sapna, explain to us what the numbers are saying.
Well, a close look at the wage notifications done by the Rural Development Ministry in terms of the MNREGA wage rates, seems to indicate a growth, just around 5 to 5.5% in the 5-year period starting FY19 to FY24 in terms of the increase in the MNREGA wages. So in FY19, the average wage rate was around 208 rupees per person, and that has now moved to around 272 odd rupees in the current financial year. So during this 5-year odd period, less than 65 rupees has been added to these MNREGA wages, so to speak. The second element, of course, is also the fact that probably at the state level or at the Gram Panchayat level, workers are not getting the complete due in terms of what the government has notified as the wages. For example, the average wage rate per person per day in the current financial year is around 236 odd rupees in comparison to the 272 odd rupees average rate that has been already notified by the government. So there's a gap there as well. On both these accounts, probably going forward, the government may have to do some kind of rethinking or a revisit. There appears to be a very clear stagnancy in the MNREGA wages, probably not even enough to cover rural inflation, particularly that has been very high post the Ukraine crisis, and food inflation had been above 8%. So these are some of the concerns the government will have to factor in. The next round of MNREGA wage notification for FY25 is likely end of this month.
Thank you very much for filling us with those details. By the way, it's a good Thursday so far. Good Thursday morning. The Sensex has jumped 500 points. The Nifty is holding above 22,150. And the broader market rally is looking very, very strong right now. 800 points on the mid-cap index. Well, with that, it's a wrap on trading. Our stay tuned halftime report is up next.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC-TV18 on all of our digital platforms.